If you're in South Africa and looking to start your Forex trading journey in 2025, this video is for you. We'll cover what Forex trading is, how to get started, and the best brokers for beginners in South Africa. So, stay tuned till the end to find out which broker might be the best fit for your trading style. Forex trading, or foreign exchange trading, is the process of buying one currency while selling another, all to profit from changes in exchange rates. It's the largest financial market in the world, with over $7 trillion traded daily. In South Africa, Forex trading is completely legal and regulated by the FSCA, which helps protect traders. Getting started with Forex trading is simple. Just follow these 5 steps. Learn the basics. Understand currency pairs, pips, leverage, and risk management. Choose a reliable Forex broker. We'll show you the best ones in a moment. Open a demo account and practice trading risk-free. Develop a trading strategy. Know when to enter and exit trades. Start small and trade with discipline. Risk only what you can afford to lose. Now, let's look at 5 of the best Forex brokers trusted by South African traders in 2025. FP Markets, 8Cap, Octa, Tickmill, and IC Markets. Check the link below on description to open an account for Forex trading in South Africa in 2025. FP Markets, regulated by ASIC and SISEC. Low spreads. Great for scalpers and day traders. Offers MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and KTrader platforms. Excellent customer support and fast execution speeds. 8Cap, known for tight spreads and zero commissions. Supports MT4, MT5, and TradingView. Great automation and copy trading features, ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. Third, we have Octa. User-friendly platform and bonus promotions. Offers swap-free accounts and low minimum deposits. Great mobile trading experience. Perfect for traders who prefer simplicity. Tickmill. FSCA regulated, trusted by South African traders. Ultra-low spreads starting from 0.0 pips. Fast withdrawals and transparent pricing. Ideal for both day traders and long-term investors. And finally, IC Markets, one of the world's largest ECN brokers. Low latency execution and deep liquidity. Excellent for algorithmic trading with MT4, MT5, and KTrader. Known for tight spreads and reliable performance. Before you start trading with real money, keep these beginner tips in mind. Always start with a demo account to learn the basics. Focus on risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Avoid emotional trading. Stick to your plan. Keep learning, follow Forex news, attend webinars, and read market analysis. Remember, Forex trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill that takes patience, practice, and discipline. And that's it for today's video, your 2025 Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading in South Africa, plus the top 5 brokers you can trust: FP Markets, 8Cap, Octa, Tickmill, and IC Markets. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming trading tutorials and broker reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!